Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. This is a video response to my brother from another mother, John and my Woodsman. We're going to be cleaning up a little bit of trash because it's just the right thing to do, and I got to show you something truly disgusting. In fact, people have reached an all-time new low. So, congratulations. Way to raise the bar. Now, let me show you. I mean, look at this. We got hubcaps, a wheel, a bucket, just all kinds of crap, flies, and they just threw a tarp over it. I pulled the tarp off because I'm going to clean up around here. Sadly, I don't have my truck because I got to reattach the fuel lines better before I can drive it. It just was too hot to do it, and I've just been lazy. But if I had the truck with me, I could have piled this all in the back of the truck, which I shouldn't have had to do anyway. In fact, all through these trees, there's just garbage. You can see the white, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the white specks of garbage all through the trees. So, got a trash bag from home. I'm going to clean some of this up. Unfortunately, I can only do so much because I'm going to be basically putting it in the back of my car. But my God, man. Just horrendous. And as usual, before I can make a fire, I gotta clean out the pit. Oddly enough, there really wasn't much in the fire pit as far as trash goes, which is nice, just a few cans. So yeah, this stuff was just dumped under a tree. Why would you? Are you trying to hide the fact that you're a disgusting pig? I don't know what. Something in here is just... I'm drawing the line at picking up human waste and human TP. Because I don't want that in the back of my car. I don't know why they hide it. It just makes it harder to dig out. Good grief. I need to get my truck. Well, unfortunately, I've only put a small dent in the massive, disgusting pigsty that's left. I got a whole bag of stuff though. But it's better than taking nothing out at all, I guess. Alright, well, anyway, check out Mi Woodsman if you're not a subscriber. I will link his channel below, and have a good one. Clean up your sights. Peace.